Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Kraken security settings and withdrawal protections, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Kraken website. Log in using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Security tab in the main dashboard. Click on the Security tab to access your security settings. Under the Security section, review your two-factor authentication status. If you have not enabled two-factor authentication, find the option to set it up. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the two-factor authentication setup. Next, scroll down to find the Withdrawal Protection settings. Click on Withdrawal Protection to view your current settings. If Withdrawal Protection is not enabled, select the option to activate it. Follow the prompts to configure your withdrawal protection preferences. Ensure that you link your phone number for SMS verification. You may also consider adding an email for backup verification. After configuring these settings, review the changes for accuracy. Save your changes to finalize the update. Next, check your account's activity log for any unusual or unauthorized transactions. If you find any suspicious activity, report it to Kraken support immediately. Finally, regularly revisit your security settings to ensure they remain up to date. Maintaining strong security settings is crucial for protecting your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.